Okay, yeah, there might be snow squalls on the way. Okay, alright, they did issue one. Good on them, because they're smart.
At 8:37 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Greeley to near Lehigh to Edwardsville, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 82 and 97. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 277 and 314. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 12. Locations impacted include Mount Pocono, East Stroudsburg, Tobiana, Delaware Water Gap, Stormville, Henryville, Broadheadsville, Conklatown, Wary Lake, Pocono Pines, Gilbert, Pocono Raceway, Lake Harmony, Skitop, Tannersville, Mountain Home, Alpine Mountain, Rossland, Long Pond, and Albrightsville. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. Here is the...
There might be only one of those, so if this is just a single video, you know exactly why. Okay, yeah, there we go. That's what I was waiting for.
In northeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Luzerne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 9:15 a.m. At 8:41 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Blooming Grove to Huntington
That didn't take
Road,
very long.
moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. Locations impacted include Wilkes-Barre, Hazleton, Kingston, Berwick, Nanticoke, Bushkill, Plymouth, Blooming Grove, Edwardsville, and West Hazleton. This includes the following highway exits: Interstate 80 between 256 and 273. Pennsylvania Interstate 81 between 143 and 170 and B. Interstate 84 between 20 and 26. Interstate 476 near 105. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Regional weather forecast.
Okay. Well, I guess that's a good sign then. I thought they weren't going to reissue, but I just had to sit down for 1 minute and then it fucking happened again. So while I'm here, check radar. Okay, it's just for like around it. All right. So basically, what happens? They saw that issue once, so they issued. Okay. All right. Okay. Well, it's now Wednesday, and since all this is happening at 11:24, we're gonna get the test on here, just because I don't feel like making it its own video. So maybe I don't know if it goes on for statement lights, but we'll see. But this is definitely something. If this expires in 35 minutes, which would be 12. So if that doesn't die out by then, which it is supposed to, but you know, kind of hope it doesn't, then we'll get a warning down here, which means that those will go off. But yeah, we're gonna wait for this to happen first. I go first.
In the lower 40s. West winds 5 miles from WXL 39 in Allentown, Pennsylvania.
Oh.
receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard.
Oh, well.
Of the signal are normally conducted by the National
Oh, no way! I did not think that would happen.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically
That's
activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National
Oh, it
Weather
did go.
Service in
Oh, no, it didn't.
Mount
Never mind.
New Jersey every Wednesday between
Just
11
green in
a.m.
there.
and noon.
That's what I
If
saw.
there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day.
Okay, whatever.
Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally
fun, right?
noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas near the city of Philadelphia, in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. In New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem. In Delaware: Kent and Newcastle, including Upper Delaware Bay. And in Maryland: Seaboard, including Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island. This concludes
Oh,
the
no.
test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KIH 28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Here is the regional weather forecast. For the Philadelphia metropolitan area, wind advisory remains in effect from 9 a.m. this morning to 6 p.m. this evening.
How did that go?
Today, mostly sunny and breezy.
It did. Okay, well, hopefully we'll see more advisories out there for some severe weather statements. I just had to say something, and then that happened, so we're good. In the meantime, watch South Park. Okay. Oh yeah, I gotta fix that stuff.
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a snow squall warning for Sullivan County in central New York, southeastern Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Lackawanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northern Luzerne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Wyoming County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 1:30 p.m.
I'm fucking talking about
At
it.
12:49 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from
Yeah, we'll just get this.
moving east at 85 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Dusty winds
Hello?
leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 50 miles per hour could knock down trimmings and blow around unsecured objects. Source: radar and webcams.
Jesus Christ,
Impact: travel will
85?
become difficult and
That's
potentially
insane.
dangerous within minutes. Locations impacted include Scranton, Wilkes-Barre, Falls, Muhlenberg, Gunmore, Kingston, Fallsburg, Nanticoke, Plains, and Carbondale. This includes the following highway exits: Interstate 86/Route 17 between 94 and 113. Pennsylvania Interstate 81 between 164 and
Okay, I'm trying to type and
211.
do this at the same time.
Interstate 84 between 1 and 46. Interstate 380 between 20 and 24. Interstate 476 between 105 and 131. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. The current
Okay, so apparently that is bordering Sussex, New Jersey. Yes, it is. So if that holds until 1:30, we should get another warning here.
Only a fool gives it away.